Hi, my name is Angela.
Hello, my name is Megan LAGERQUIST.
Hello, my name is Caroline Lee.
My name is CALEN MACDONALD.
I am a senior at Emory University, and I study linguistics and mathematics.
And I am a senior at the college studying neuroscience and behavioral biology.
And I'm a senior majoring in psychology with a minor in quantitative sciences.
I'm a senior in Emory's College of Arts and Sciences. I study English and Creative Writing and Neuroscience and Behavioral Biology.
My primary research interest is in causal language and the pragmatic inferences that we're able to draw from others' use of causal language in everyday conversation. My first excursion into research was in Dr. Yoon Kim's language acquisition lab, where I worked with a native speaker of Tigrinya to study negation and negative polarity items in the language. After my experience there, I joined Dr. Jinho Choi's natural language processing lab, where I'm currently pursuing an honors thesis. I'm a part of a large scale annotation project of discourse and causal relations that we use in Reddit posts, which is supposed to mirror conversation and how people normally talk. I applied for the CMBC Undergraduate Research Fellowship because I'm really interested in interdisciplinary conversation between the fields of psychology, philosophy, computer science, etc. And it's one of the reasons I decided to major in linguistics is because research in this field is intrinsically interdisciplinary. And it's been great so far. I've had a lot of fun talking with the other undergraduate fellows about their theses. And it's also just been a great supportive community. So
I'm doing an honors thesis right now in the Maney Lab, and I'm studying the social environment that facilitates vocal learning in young songbirds. I joined the CMBC in the fall, and I didn't know exactly what to expect, but it's been really cool to compare what everyone in the group is studying and learn from different seminars and talks about what there is in the field of intersecting brain and mind and culture. And it's kind of funny, actually. A lot of us are studying language or communication in some way, which isn't in the name, but it feels like a natural crossroads, and it's been a cool connection. But I think what I value the most is just having that informal space to discuss ideas and also challenges we've all had as young researchers and our aspirations for the future.
I'm very interested in research at the interface of personality psychology and clinical psychology. And over the past 3 years, I have contributed to research at this intersection with the Personality Research Lab in the Psychology Department. As a research assistant in the Personality Research Lab, I've engaged in research at the interdisciplinary junction between the fields of political science, psychology, and philosophy, especially for research on the construct of intellectual humility. And for my honors thesis, I'm drawing from research in the fields of evolutionary biology, psychology, and economics to investigate the relations between psychopathy and cooperation in an interpersonal context by using an iterative prisoner's dilemma paradigm with emotional feedback. I'm very grateful to have had the opportunity to collaborate with and learn from fellow students in the undergraduate research fellowship program, and to have learned from incredible mentors in the Center for Mind, Brain, and Culture. And I'm very excited to further learn about and discuss various aspects of the human mind and behavior with an interdisciplinary approach uh, in discussing with fellow peers, mentors, and guest lecturers in the CMBC in the upcoming spring semester.
I study English and Creative Writing and Neuroscience and Behavioral Biology. Besides that, I work in the Wilson Lab, which studies the evolution of language. In particular, what I look at is the cultural evolution of language, how language changes as it's iterated over time and over generations, and how people teach their descendants language, and it changes in the process. The other side of that, in the English and Creative Writing side of things, I'm working on my honors thesis, which is a collection of short stories. It's a short story cycle um, that focuses on the experience of growing up queer in the American South. Uh, and with that, I've incorporated a lot of the insight that I take from my neuroscience education, thinking about how we think of our own bodies and how queer bodies in particular are examined culturally. What I hope to get out of the Center for Mind, Brain, and Cultures Fellowship is an expanded scope of what Emory has to offer on an interdisciplinary scale. I've really enjoyed talking to the other undergraduates in the fellowship and getting the chance to talk to faculty through it. And I'm also really excited to have the opportunity to kind of engage with the graduate school side of things in the upcoming semester, taking a seminar through the fellowship. I think on the whole, it's a very exciting program. I'm a big advocate for interdisciplinary studies, and I'm really glad that I get to have another semester of involvement and get even further engrossed in Emory's interdisciplinary aspects.